Welcome to the demo session of client counseling competition. The demo session was conducted by Miss Aastha, who played the role of the advocate, and Miss Sahana, who played the role of the client. The subject matter of the problem was contract law.
Hello,
Please have a seat here, ma'am.
thank you so much.
Would you like to have something? Tea, coffee, water?
I'd like to have a glass of water.
Okay, I'll tell my assistant to get a glass of water for you.
Sure,
Just a-
thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, what is the issue?
Right. So the it's 3-4 days back, like few days back, me, my son, and my husband.
Ma'am, just can you give me my sheets so that I can make the notes?
Yes, yes, sure. So sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
Right. So few days back, me, my husband, and my son went to attend my best friend's birthday party,
Okay,
and
ma'am, just a minute. Can you please tell where was the birthday party?
it took place in Bangalore.
Where in Bangalore, ma'am?
There's a place, sure you would have heard, Palace Ground.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. Go on.
S- So my friend's house, she lives in Palace Ground. She has a nice house over there, and we were done with the birthday party, and we were just leaving. That we heard everybody screaming. We heard a lot of noises from the pool side, and when we went, we saw a lot of cures. There was a lot of cures over there, and we saw a child drowning. And my son, being a national level swimmer, just jumped in, and we just realized that that child who was drowning was none other than my husband's friend's son, Charlie.
Ma'am, what
And
is your son's name?
Peter.
Okay, and Charlie was the one who was drowning. Ma'am,
Right.
can you tell me the time? Like approximately it was what time while he was drowning?
So we went to the party around 8. We were quite early, so, and we were leaving by 10, so maybe around 10, you can
Okay,
say.
so around 10. Okay, around 10 you heard the chaos near the
Yeah,
pool. Okay, cool.
right.
Okay, ma'am.
So we recognize a child because Charlie, his dad, his mom, all of them were very close to us, and we would visit each other on weekdays or weekends, and just catch up. So when we saw Charlie drowning, my son, being good friends with Charlie, had a good rapport with him, jumped to save him. And my son's a national level swimmer, so he jumped in to save Charlie. And as soon as he jumped in, Charlie's father announced that whoever saves Charlie will get a reward.
When was
We
this announcement made, ma'am? Around what time?
around 10, 10 or 10:15 maybe.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not really clear with that because there was a lot of chaos and it
Yes,
wasn't,
ma'am, I understand, ma'am.
yeah. So we didn't really hear about the reward clearly because we were on the other side of the pool and Charlie's dad was on the other side of the pool. So when my son jumped in, he announced about the reward and he saved Charlie. He got him out of the pool, gave him CPR, and everything, was quite normal almost. And one of the guests then told us that you should go and ask Charlie's dad about the reward. And we were quite confused because we didn't really hear anything about the reward. While the other guests were like, yeah, he had announced a reward and your son saved his life. So I guess you should claim the reward. And we were like, okay. So we waited for the situation to stabilize, to become slightly normal, everybody to stop panicking. And because it's not morally right to,
Hmm. Yes,
approach
ma'am.
father when his son's drowning. And after that, when we found everything's normal, we approached Charlie's father and spoke to him about the reward, and he just seemed blank. He's like, your son first of all is a minor, and then he didn't even hear about the reward. Neither did you guys know about the reward, which was, we didn't really find it right on his part to deny my son reward for risking his own life and saving Charlie.
Oh, do listen. No, no, no. There is a mistake over here. We can't say that we didn't hear the reward because that
Right.
means, yeah, हम लोगों को बोलना पड़ेगा. We need to do it again because see, if we can't hear if we didn't hear about the reward and your son did not hear about the reward, it doesn't make a valid contract because communication wasn't complete.
Right.
So this was
So
a mistake which we made, Abhi. But it's okay, we'll do it again. So while you're telling me this story now, just state that we heard the reward. My son also heard the reward, as well as other people who were present in the party. They also heard the reward. So the
right.
communication over here is complete, and they won't get a chance to say anything to us. Ki the communication wasn't complete and everything like that.
Okay.
We can't really go about with the fact that you and Peter did not hear this thing. You and Peter did not hear the offer which was made. Because see, ma'am, that would make our case really weak. We need to understand that communication is an really important part of the contract act. So if we want to prove ourselves really strong, we need to be sure that either one of you have heard the offer which was made by Charlie's father.
Okay.
That would make complete sense, and that would be a really advantageous thing for the case.
Okay. And okay, because we didn't really mention about us not being aware as such to anybody. So I guess we can do that.
That, yes, yes, we can absolutely do that. Anyways, we have witnesses which we're going to testify in our favor. So that
Right.
would be really positive for the case. Anyways, ma'am, anything else you will want me to know?
Yeah, I wanted to know what are our chances of winning the case.
There are 95% chances that we'll be winning the case, ma'am. Ma'am,
Great.
because see, whatever are the essentials of a contract, they have been fulfilled in this entire situation. Like I have reviewed the facts, I have understood the issues, and I have solutions for all of these things. Because, ma'am,
Right.
whatever, like the section 2, which is like the interpretation cause of an Indian Contract Act, there are
Mm-hmm.
some essential principles which are mentioned. Okay, so all of those principles have been fulfilled as there was an offer, there was an acceptance, there was a consideration, an act was done, reciprocal promise, everything has been done over here. And then usually what the defense or what the respondents can bring into the court of law is that they can say that the person, Peter, is a minor. So the contract is void, but that is not the case. Usually the contract with minors are considered to be a void contract. But over here, there is an exception as well. If the minor is a beneficiary party, then the contract is not void. So we have an answer to that question. And from the fact, it is clearly inferred that Peter was the beneficiary and he has full right to claim the reward as it was said. Apart from this one, this is an implied contract. So
Okay.
if the respondents say that the contract is not in writing, who are the witnesses and everybody, I'm pretty sure there were other people also who were present in the party. So this is an implied contract, and we have witnesses who will testify in our favor. So all of these essentials make the case really strong, ma'am. So which
Hmm.
is why our chances of winning, they would be there are 95% to 97% chances that we'll be winning the case.
Great, great. That's really great. And I've heard so much about you, the way you present the case in the court, that I have a lot of faith in you, me, my son, as well as my husband.
Thank you, ma'am. I would surely try to reach up to your expectations. Anyways, I would like to tell you that once I'm done with another screening of facts and reviews and everything,
Right.
I'll be filing an official document which I'll be sending to the respondents. While you're going, ma'am, just leave their address to my assistant so that we can send the notice to them. And soon I'll have a meeting with their lawyers as well. We'll decide the case for the, we'll decide a date for the case. We'll try to settle it outside the court as well. Like if they are after the legal notice ready to pay us the amount, we don't even need to go to the court. But in that case, if they are not
And
ready to do that, we'll surely be going to the court. And yes, we'll be going about with the entire process in a legal and an official way.
great. I guess we should try finishing it out as a outside court settlement. Maybe that'll save a lot of time and money. I hope he understands.
Yes, ma'am, I completely understand. That is why after we send the legal notice, I'll obviously get a, response from the lawyers. So I will try to set up negotiations with them. I will try to settle it outside the court. But if
Okay.
it doesn't happen outside the court, we'll definitely take it to the court and we'll deal with it officially.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time and all of
Um,
this. And also, a last question is, what about your fees? I'd want to know
ma'am,
about your fees.
yeah, ma'am, I'll be taking like 20,000 rupees. It includes
Okay.
my personal fees. It includes the drafting of official documents as well as the court proceedings.
Great, great. I guess when we meet next or something, you can give me your bank details so I can transfer the money as soon as possible.
Yeah, ma'am, sure, sure.
Yeah.
We'll do
Thank
that.
you so much.
Anyways, I'll be updating you once I am ready with drafting of the document, and I'll just inform you before I officially send them. So if you want, you can even review that official draft which I'll be making.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
No worries,
It
ma'am.
was a pleasure meeting you and talking to you.
Likewise, ma'am.